Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case from Spigen for your Galaxy S23 Ultra. But before I get into this review, you already know what I'm gonna say. Check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, you decided to pick up the Galaxy S23 Ultra and you're looking for a case for it. In this video, I will be reviewing the Spigen Cryo armor case for the S23 Ultra. I decided to pick up this case from Amazon and give it a try. I had it for a couple other devices and it's pretty cool. It's supposed to have cooling system in here. They call it Arctic Flow technology. And then air ventilation. So it's supposed to help keep your phone cooler than any other case out there. And if you want to read that, you can definitely read that there. Hold on, my phone is bright. My Pixel 7 is super bright there. If you want to pause that, you can definitely read it. But it's supposed to keep the phone cooler than a normal case. I don't know how true that is, but I mean, it's a nice looking case. And it seems to work. But I got it in black with the blue cooling pads there. As you can tell, you get your little books. And then it even has protective film on there. So the technology's in here, I'm guessing. There's the technology there. Everything at the bottom looks good. How does it fit, y'all? You do get camera protection, as you can tell there. Now, it's not the precise cutout like the tough armor case, but it's there. You get lip protection. Yes, you do. Let's test it out. How much lip protection do you get? Now, you get some, but it's not as high as you think it would be, because I cannot even get that under there. So you get some, but I wouldn't slam my phone down. Now I do like the size with this little lines in here. It gives you some extra to grab onto. Also the back, it helps to grab it. The one thing about this case is it does not add bulk to your phone. So it's not a bulky case. The power button is easy to press. The volume rockers are nice and easy, nice and tactile. Everything at the bottom lines up. The pen is easy because they go down to the frame. I wish every case manufacturer did that with the cases here, because it makes it just a lot easier for folks without fingernails. The microphone at the top lines up, and then you have these corner protections too. On each corner, it has like these little protection there. This definitely will protect your case. And I also almost forgot, the power button is ridged. I love when it has that ridged power button. Look at the back of it. That looks pretty cool. Now I wish they would have came up a little bit there, but that's just being nitpicky. Does it fit well? Yes, it does. How hard is it to take off? Not hard at all. And it's not easy. I mean, I should say it's not easy. So if you drop this phone and with this case on there, it won't just pop off. So that's actually very important. So that just shows that it fits really well with this phone there. You can pick up this case from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. But let's go over it. It fits really well. Nice design. Cool pattern on the back. You get camera protection. You get okay lip action. The last thing that we want to test out, can your wireless charge? What y'all think before? Yes or no? Leave it in the comments. The answer is yes. You can wireless charge with this case on there. I didn't think you would have an issue with it because, yeah, I mean, it's just beautiful looking case. And it's not a fat case, so it's not going to block the charging of that. Now, if you want to pick this up, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.